accidents, during anemic conditions, during operation, in operation theaters, so that the doctors will going to supply the blood externally to the patients to make it useful to the operating conditions, that is low blood pressure or hypotension. Coming to the last part of the blood circulation or circulatory system, how we will going to measure, the doctors will going to measure the blood pressure. There are actually two systems for the measurement of blood pressure. One is palpatory method, another one is auscultatory method. First one is palpatory method, another one is auscultatory method. Palpatory method, which will not give the accurate result. Auscultatory method, that is what the doctors or physicians or technicians, lab technicians were using. And the instrument used to measure blood pressure in this method is called sphygmomanometer. The instrument used to measure the blood pressure is called sphygmomanometer. And how it will going to be measured? The instrument, first it is placed at the level of chest, whether the patient is sitting or whether the patient is laying on bed. That is placed at the level of the chest. And then there is a cuff in the instrument, and that cuff is tied around the upper arm. That cuff is tied around the upper arm to measure the arterial blood pressure, because here we're going to feel directly the pressure from the heart, that is from the aorta. Brachial artery arises, and that brachial artery supplies the blood to our arms. So we're going to tie, the doctors will going to tie the cuff over the upper arm. After tying the cuff, they will going to rise the pressure by using the hand pump up to 200 mm. You'll observe that one while they are going to measuring the blood pressure. They will going to rise the pressure so that the cuff goes on tightening around our upper arm. Goes on tightening around our upper arm. They will going to rise up to 200 mm of Hg, and then gradually the pressure is released by means of a screw which is present in that pump, connected to that pump. And then the sounds of the heart or the blood pressure is listened by using the stethoscope, placing the end of the stethoscope over the brachial artery just below that cuff. A cuff ಕೆಳಗೆ brachial artery ಇಟ್ಟು stethoscope ನಿಂದ sounds ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. At one point they will going to hear a clear tapping sound. They are going to hear a clear tapping sound, and that clear tapping sound indicates SP. At one point they are going to hear a clear tapping sound, and that clear tapping sound is nothing but SP. And again they are going to release the pressure. At one point the tapping sound is not clearly heard, or it is fainted, and at one point it will going to be stopped. That is the diastolic pressure, DP. So that can be done for 2 to 3 times, and then they're going to take the mean of those 3 readings, write the blood pressure. That not only they will take single time and then write the blood pressure, 2 or 3 times they're going to take, and then they're going to take the mean as the blood pressure of that human beings. This is about the measurement of blood pressure. That completes the topic circulatory system or blood circulation. Today itself, I'm going to send the notes on circulation. Go through the video clips, go through the notes. If you have any doubts or any questions in your mind, you can contact me or you can call me and clarify your doubts. Thank you.